How to solve 5 pi x is equal to 14. Find the value of x. So we take log in both sides. So log of 5 pi x is equal to log of 14 can be written as 2 times 7. Now here you can apply rule that log m power r is equal to r log m. That means this power r will move to the base. So this power x will move to the base. It will be x log 5 is equal to log of 2 times 7. That means it will be log 2 plus log 7. Now we need the value of x, so we divided by log 5 in both sides. So divided by log 5 divided by log 5. So this log 5 will be cancelled. So we have x is equal to this divided by this. That means it can be written as log 2 over log 5, then plus log 7 over log 5. Now x will be equal to, here you can apply this formula, log a divided by log b is equal to log a base b. So log 2 divided by log 5, that means it will be log 2 base 5 plus, here you can apply again this formula, so it will be log 7 base 5. So this is the value of x. So this is our final answer. Now to check for x is equal to log 2 base 5 plus log 7 base 5. So our equation 5 pi x is equal to 14. Now 5 pi x, that means 5 power of log 2 base 5 log 2 base 5 plus log 7 base 5, then is equal to 14. 5 power of x, that means this. Now here you can apply this exponential rule that a power of m plus n is equal to a power m times a power n. So it will be 5 power of log 2 base 5 and then times 5 power of log 7 base 5, then is equal to 14. Now here I can apply this formula, a to the power log b base a is equal to b. So 5 to the power log 2 base 5, that means it will be 2 then times, here you can apply again this formula, so 5 to the power log 7 base 5, that means it will be 7 is equal to 14. Now 2 times 7, that means 14. So of course 14 is equal to 14, left side is equal to right side. So our correct and final answer will be x is equal to log 2 base 5 plus log 7 base 5. So this is justified.